Name is Carver. I work for Catholic Cemeteries. I loved it. I didn't even know how to weld before I came here. Now I'm able to weld, like a pro. Different types of weld we learn. We learn spot welds. We learn stitch welds, butt welds, for putting two pieces of metal together like that, welding it down the center. We learned overlap welds like that. We learned T-welds for welding T pieces of metal. Well, I'd say you're going to learn different types of welds. You're going to come away knowing how to weld, and you're going to like it because, like I said, I didn't know how to weld before this, so if I can learn it, then I'm sure anyone can. See, I like matrix. I took automotive here and got me into it, and this has excelled my career more. I've learned more. I'm able to do more. I've got more experience just out of this. I've learned more about different types of metal and how to weld them, and how to play with the welder. And I'm learning a lot more. It's for 4 days. It's a pretty good boot camp. Say thank you. I'm able to weld stuff, and I'm going to be able to do more for my duty and my job.